Hey, and welcome back to Natural Bliss Podcast. I'm your host, Joyce Wheeler. As you know, we are doing the 30-day decluttering challenge that starts today. Yes, I have the same shirt on because I am recording this the same day because I have something to do tomorrow and I will not be able to record it tomorrow. So I am doing it today. So what we are going to start with is bags, purses, totes, backpacks, anything, any type of bag that you use to put stuff in it, whether it be your purse, whether it be a tote, whether it be a backpack. We're going to get all that. We're going to take it and put it into a pile. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to decide which ones you love, which ones you wouldn't buy again, which ones you want to get rid of. So we're going to go, which ones you don't use. If you haven't used it within a year, it needs to go. You don't need to keep it around. So, and while you're doing that, you're also going to want to go through any purse that you use on a regular basis and declutter whatever's in there. Decide what to keep and what not to keep. So what I'd like for you to do is to take a picture of your pile before and then take a picture of your pile after as far as what you kept. This will not only help to motivate other people in the group, but it will also give you a visual of what you actually done. Okay, so for the first week, let me explain something. The reason I'm starting this challenge on Wednesday, August 16th, is because it's a new moon, and the new moon energy represents new beginnings. So this is a new beginning, and I do believe that we are all energy. I believe we are affected by the other energies around us. So that is why I chose to start this then. And ironically, we end on the new moon. So I'm really excited about that. I think I believe that this is what the universe has for us, and that this is the way the universe wanted this to go. It just all works out fine. So go ahead and do that. After this first week is over, for those of you who have posted the most, so during the whole week, those who have shared their wins on Facebook, if you're too embarrassed to show a picture, don't, but at least comment as far as what you did do, how it made you feel, and share that with us. So whoever has the most comments at the end of next Wednesday, I have a giveaway, but I'm not going to tell you what it is until after a while, after the week is over. So good luck, everyone, and don't overthink things. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.